Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's read a book.
Let's read a book.
Clean up your toys.
Clean up your toys.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
It's time to eat.
It's time to eat.
Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
Time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
Let's brush your teeth.
Let's brush your teeth.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Let's eat breakfast.
Let's eat breakfast.
Let's clean up.
Let's clean up.
Time to go to bed.
Time to go to bed.
Good night, sleep tight.
Good night. Sleep tight.
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to eat?
I want some milk.
I want some milk.
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
Please pass the spoon.
Please pass the spoon.
This is yummy.
This is yummy.
Eat slowly.
Eat slowly.
Don't play with your food.
Don't play with your food.
Let's wash the dishes.
Let's wash the dishes.
Let's get dressed.
Let's get dressed.
Put on your socks.
Put on your socks.
Where are your shoes?
Where are your shoes?
Take your backpack.
Take your backpack.
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
Give me a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Come here, please.
Come here, please.
Let's take a bath.
Let's take a bath.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid.
Do your homework.
Do your homework.
We are going shopping.
We are going shopping.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Please be quiet.
Please be quiet.
You did a great job.
You did a great job.
Go wash your face.
Go wash your face.
You need to share.
You need to share.
Can you open the door?
Can you open the door?
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Let's clean the room together.
Let's clean the room together.
Let's take a walk.
Let's take a walk.
You need to listen.
You need to listen.
You have to wait your turn.
You have to wait your turn.
Let's clean up before dinner.
Let's clean up before dinner.
It's raining. Grab an umbrella.
It's raining. Grab an umbrella.
It is okay to make mistakes.
It is okay to make mistakes.
You're a good friends.
You're a good friends.
Can you turn the page?
Can you turn the page?